Introducing the Combilift 8000 kg high-capacity powered pallet truck. It's powerful and easy to operate. The AC-powered drive, steer and lifting technology ensures efficient operation. The internationally patented tiller arm incorporates tiller offset position with a touch of a button. The operator has excellent visibility from the side of the truck and lifts effortlessly with a smooth lift action. Reposition to the side of the truck reduces operators' risks. It comes with 2 travel speed settings and reduces the use of conventional forklifts in pedestrian areas. It comes with an easy, accessible, quick-change rollout battery. This unit is effortless and stress-free to operate. It glides across the floor. It's safer and more compact in narrow aisles, increasing storage space, and can be operated from either side of the machine. The tiller eliminates crush risk to the operator when working in tight spaces. It's less than quarter the size of a counterbalance truck, with a much smaller turning circle. Its compact dimensions enable large loads to be moved in and around facilities without the need for extra space to be set aside for manoeuvring. With a smaller footprint, storage space, productivity and safety are increased while reducing the overall cost of your facility. The option of an automatic folding operator's platform enables stand-on operation, which is particularly useful and beneficial for operators having long distances to travel. It comes with an internationally patented multi-position tiller arm, tiller-mounted monitor for easy viewing, power steering, dual-wheel drive, dual vertical hydraulic lift cylinders, filament-wound lubricant-free bushings, and robust parallelogram lifting mechanism. It also comes in higher capacities and with a fully customizable heavy-duty lifting platform specific to the operational requirements. We have the solution for transporting large loads at your fingertips.